Alrighty, we're going to be doing a walk around of one of our favorite Ferraris. This is a 2003 Ferrari 360 Modena. This car is a 400 horsepower, 3.6 liter V8. This one is equipped with the F1 transmission, which keeps it feeling really nice and modern, even with today's cars. Has that beautiful, timeless Pininfarina design. This smooth styling from that era. Just so nice. Really elegant. This car is finished in Azzurro, California. Beautiful metallic blue from Ferrari. And there is where all the magic happens. This car has only about 22,000 miles, and it has had its 30,000 mile belt service already done. Does 0 to 60 in 4.6 seconds, and it's a claimed top speed of 183 miles an hour. You can see the beautiful 5-spoke wheels, nicknamed Starfish. Really amazing car through and through. Open the door to the interior here. Door opens very nicely. As you can see, beautiful black leather interior. In excellent condition throughout. The leather is really nice and soft and supple, and those bolstered seats really keep you in place.
We ready?
Yep, we're ready.
So take this 2003 Ferrari 360 Modena out, see how it drives on the street.
All right, here we go.
Listen to that V8.
Sounds great.
Hell yeah. those Ferrari stylings that I've always had on my bucket list, you know?
What about it do you like?
I just love the lines of it, you know? Another beautiful day to be driving out today.
Yeah.
Minus the traffic.
Minus the traffic, per usual.
But it's cool. It's cool that we get to take one of my bucket list cars out, you know?
Yeah.
I've just always loved the 360s.
I love the color of it.
It's got pretty good pickup.
It's quick, but it's really sturdy.
Oh yeah, it's very confidence inspiring. It's really planted, I guess is a good way to say.
Right.
Very easy to speed in this, I will say that.
Yeah, I can't afford any more tickets, so I'm glad it's you driving.
We're not going to go too crazy. I mean, we want to keep the public safe, but just get it out and listen to that V8. I mean, I believe this does have the spider exhaust, so it's a little bit, you know, more notey. And that downshift is just epic. What a fun car.
Yeah.
I would absolutely enjoy this. And the fact that the 30,000 mile, you know, belt surface has been done on this, and that's kind of a big one with these Ferraris. You know, it's considered one of its big regular maintenances, and the fact that it's already done for you
Right.
when you get the car is just huge. I mean,
because this only has what, 22,000 miles.
22,000 miles, yeah. And it just pulls. So that was about $5,000. I mean, that's just barely getting into it, so. Very, very healthy car. Yeah, I'd consider this broken in, ready for its next owner.
Yeah, this car can go from like 0 to 60 in 4.6 seconds.
Yeah, that's quick. We got a guy over the
Oh, that scared me.
That's funny. And you will get that kind of attention in these cars. I mean, that's just the nature of the beast. But you know, a lot of people, including myself, we enjoy cars like that. We enjoy the attention. We'll give it a little quick 1, 2, 3 when we get this turned around, and just can't get enough of that note, you know?
Right.
It's just such an iconic car. Another thing to point out, you know, that a lot of people don't cover driving these cars is it's tameable too. If you want to drive it calm, here we are, you know. I'll shift it down some more, and here we're in 5th, you know, 2,500 RPMs, completely doable.
So smooth. Everything about it, the transitioning, the turning, everything.
It can be whatever animal you want it to be. That's what I love. I mean, you want to throw it through a corner hard, it's not going to make us break a sweat doing it. You want to drive it just calm and, you know, and enjoy the notes, it's there. You want to kick it down and have a little fun, that's an option too. I mean, it's an all-around great choice for a sports car. It's just, I love how you can just feel every input. You know, you're not numb to the road. I think that's what you kind of get away from with a lot of the modern supercars, is it's doing all the work for you. This still has a lot of that, you know, manual input heritage. That's just fun, you know?
Yeah, I love how it feels. And we haven't even been really getting on it. It's
No,
just
absolutely not. out to the new owner, that's for sure. But definitely get it out, listen to the exhaust roar. I mean, that's what these cars are known for.
Yeah, it really does sound great.
Oh man. I mean, that's fourth gear at 2,500. It has plenty of pickup. You don't have to be, you know, constantly revved out in these. It's just great. We are in sport mode, so it's a little bit, you know, harsher of a shift. That's kind of how sport mode was designed. So.
I love the feeling of just being like pinned back to the seat.
It does pin you. That Ferrari V8 behind you. Oh, I love it. Here we are back.
Thank you guys for tuning in with us today. Make sure you go like and subscribe to our YouTube channel. We have plenty more content coming, but we're open to suggestions. So leave us some comments. Let us know what you guys think.
Yeah, we thought this would be an interesting one to, you know, twist it up a little bit. I mean, some would consider this a classic, some won't, but this was a fun one.
This was a fun one.
So
for sure.
I can't wait to do some more. You know, the more you guys subscribe, the more I can do. I can't stress that enough. So until next time.